It is raining. Some people don't fly their planes in rain, but this electrical engineer, he does what he wants.
Yeah. Ben Franklin, lightning, thunder. Hear that?
Yeah.
What are we thinking? Standing under big tall trees? And I haven't flown for like ever.
Yeah.
The weather's cool, let's do it.
Let's do it. You can only burn up your motor. The rain's coming down, the plane's coming up. Oh yes.
Are these spaces?
See that on the top of the golf cart? That is rain protection.
We think it's just a minor sprinkle, but it is getting worse. I'm not trying to make the moves on you, Sherm. It's coming in this side more than your side. This is IFR flying. Unfortunately, I am multi-engine IFR commercial. So, but I sense it's windy up there.
Yeah?
And I'm flying backwards. Noticing that?
I don't know why the motor hasn't seized up.
Because I'm at half throttle. But, oh, I'm not far from multi.
Well,
What do you think?
well, it's going backwards.
It's windier than I thought. I think we need to call it. I think we need to bring it in.
It's been flying
That's full
2 or 3 minutes.
Need to get down low. Let me see if I can. If I was in the plane right now, I'd be damn nervous. Let's go get it.
We're not walking.
Good idea. Good idea you had here, Sherm.
Yeah. What's your ESC doing sticking out? Where's the plane now? Oh, it's back here.
Those stupid old men flying in a rainstorm.
We've flown a lot of times, but I'm probably not going to forget this time. No, just let it dry out. I wouldn't run it anymore. Why are you doing that?
Run out the motor.
It'll dry out all on its own. See? See, what did he do? He burned it up. I told him not to. Unplug your battery. Use a little common sense.
You know what everything is.
Yeah?
Ridiculous.
That's what happens. It would have been fine if he just would have let it dry out, but no, what does he have to do? He has to test it and run it.
The minute you don't